Hello children. Today I am going to discuss about the decoder. Decoder is an application of logic gate. So what is decoder? Decoder is a digital electronic circuit which converts binary information from an input lines to a maximum of 2 raised to the power unique output lines. Okay, so in this you just say that it's the opposite of encoder. Okay, here inputs are n and output 2 raised to the power n. Okay, suppose if n is equals to 2, so input lines are 2 but output lines are 2 raised to the power 2 is equals to 4. Output lines are 4. So it's a decoder. Okay. So we can draw decoder 2 into 4 decoder and 3 into 8 decoder. If your input lines are 3, so 2 raised to the power 3, it means 8 output lines. Okay. So first of all, we see the truth table of decoder. Suppose I am taking two inputs S1 and S0. These two inputs. Okay. So how many outputs are there? 4 outputs. So we start with D0, D1, D2 and D3. These are the output lines. Okay, so you know it's a change binary information to from n input lines to a maximum, means it converts binary information to any other number system. So binary information, binary combination, you know, if we having two inputs, so binary combinations are 4, 0 to 3, है ना? So here you write the binary combination. First one is 0 0, then 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. It's a two variable binary combination. After this, if a value is inputs are 0 0, so decimal number 0 is only high to produce the output 0 0. Rest of the circuits 0 0 0. Clear that? If next is if our input is S1 means 0 1, so it's a decimal of 1. So D1 circuit is high, rest of the circuit is low. Okay, for 1 0, D2 circuit is high, rest of circuits is low, and here 1 1, so D3 circuit is high, rest of the circuits are 0, or you can say low. Okay, so it's a truth table of decoder, 2 to 4 decoder. You can see in output always you find a diagonal output of ones. Okay, in diagonal form. Let's see the block diagram of 2 into 4 decoder. Block diagram means it's not logic diagram, just block diagram. So here we draw a box and here we write 2 into 4 decoder. Okay, so in 2 into 4 decoder we passing two input lines. It's a S1 and S0 and we get 4 output lines. Okay, D0, D1, D2 and D3. So it's a decoder block diagram. Let's see the circuit diagram. Before move to circuit diagram, let's see the expression of this truth table or output. So for D0, For D0, when D0 is active, or you can say high, when S1 and S0 both are 0. Okay, so 0, we write it in minterm form, so we put the complement S1 dot S0 is a complement. Okay, for D1, D1 is high when inputs are S1 0 and S2 1. S1 0 means S1 bar, and S0 is without bar because S0 value is 1. Okay, next D2. So here we write D2 expression will be S1 is high, S1 dot S0 is low. So here we write complement of S0, and D3 is equals to both S1 dot S0. Clear? So it's an expression. How we get the how we use this type of expression? Let's see. If S1 dot S0 means, here we write the complement. Here value is 0 0, but here is complement. It means value is 1 dot 1. When 1 dot 1, it's 1. So D0 is having high value. Same here. Here S bar means S1 bar means 1 dot, and S without bar, it means its value is 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. So for this input, D1 circuit is active. For D3, same process. S1 without bar, it means 1, and it's with bar, it means 1. So 1 into 1 value is 1. So D2 is active, and here S1 value is 1 and S0 value is 1. So here value is 1. So D3 is active. When 1 value is there, so D3 is only high. When S1 S0 bar, then D2 value is high. And when S1 bar and S1 bar and S0, so D1 value is high. And if S1 bar and S0 bar, S1 bar and S0 bar, so D0 is high. Okay, so this is the way to find the output. Okay, now let's see the logic circuit diagram of 2 into 4 decoder. Let's see the truth table. Expression is given. Here is dot operator is present. It means it will pass with AND gate. Okay, so here is two input S1 and S0. Okay, so this is the line for S1 and this is the line for S0. But here we need the complement value also. Here is S1 bar, S0 bar. So we pass it with NOT gate like this line. Same here in S0, pass with NOT gate. This one. If it's a S1, so it's S1 bar. It's a S0, so it's a S0 bar. Clear? Now for D0, S1 and S0 both are bar. Here we draw an AND gate. Bar value means it will pass with this sign, this one and this one, and we get here D0 output. Okay, for the D1, S1 is bar. Here we draw the AND gate. S1 is bar. So we pass here S1 and S0 without bar, so we passed from this line. Here we get D1. Clear? Next is the D2. D2 S1. S1 means 1 without bar and S0 with bar. Like that. Here we get D2. And last one is the D3. For D3 expression is 1 1. S1 is 1 and S0 is 1. This one. So here we get the D3 value. It's very simple decoder. It's a 2 into 4 decoder. Now I think you are able to draw 3 into 8 decoder. Okay.